Alright, next step of putting this Harbor Freight blast cabinet together is putting the grate on the hopper. Well, they provide this shim seal thing. I don't like it. I don't see the point. I think it's mainly just to seal up these corners, which it's not going to do at all unless you do some shit like this, in which case you really don't need this steel thing. So we'll just put the foam piece directly on here to seal up everywhere, plus some silicone, because obviously the foam pieces are not sealing worth a shit. Definitely requires some special hands to put together.